Welcome back to the garden! Are you growing tomatoes? I am, and I'm thrilled. If your tomato plants have yellow flowers on top, you're on your way to getting tomatoes. But if you want bigger and better tomatoes, I have a simple homemade fertilizer recipe to share with you. You probably already have all the ingredients at home. First, let's talk about those yellow flowers. They will turn into your tomatoes, but they need to be properly fertilized. The fertilizer I'm about to show you will help with that. It's incredibly easy to make and very beneficial for your plants. All you need is tomato paste, and do you have some at home? If not, it's easy to find at any grocery store and very affordable. Here's how you make the fertilizer. Take 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, any brand will do, and mix them into 1 liter of water. Stir it well until all the chunks are gone and the mixture has a nice deep red color. That's all it takes to create the base of your fertilizer. Once you have your liter of tomato paste solution, you can dilute it to make even more fertilizer. Add this liter to 10 liters of clear water in a bucket. Mix it all together and now you have 11 liters of fertilizer from just 1 small can of tomato paste. Isn't that amazing? It's so cost effective, costing less than $1, and it works wonders on your tomato plants. To apply this fertilizer, I suggest using a sprayer. A 1-gallon pressurized sprayer makes it easy to spray the fertilizer directly onto the leaves of your tomato plants. This method is called top dressing. By spraying it on the leaves, you're giving the plants nutrients directly where they need it most. You still need to water the roots with regular water, but this fertilizer spray helps the top part of the plant, the leaves and blossoms. Feeding the top of the plant is important because if you only water the roots, the plant has to work harder to send nutrients up to the leaves and blossoms. By applying fertilizer to the leaves, you give the plant a double dose of nutrients, making it stronger and healthier. There are many benefits to this homemade fertilizer. It's inexpensive and purely organic, meaning it breaks down into the soil easily and feeds the microorganisms. This mixture is rich in vitamins, amino acids, and minerals like phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, and calcium, all great for your tomatoes. Another great thing about this fertilizer is that you can't overfeed your plants with it. Many commercial fertilizers are too strong, and giving too much can harm the plant. But with this homemade mixture, you can apply it once a week without any worries. It's gentle and effective, ensuring your tomato plants get everything they need to grow big and healthy tomatoes. I hope you try this easy and affordable homemade fertilizer. Your tomato plants will thank you with bigger, better tomatoes. Enjoy your gardening, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.